Requirements for installations. In this video, we will be going through the requirements for your solar home installation. First, we take a look at what you would require. 1. What appliances you would like to run. 2. Are these appliances using elements? 3. What is the total load in watts of the appliances? This can be found on the back of your appliances. Is this a simple backup system or an off-grid system? Backup system provides backup power in the event of power outages, automatically transfers to battery power when needed. Electronics remain on when switching over to batteries. Off-grid. Standalone or off-grid solar systems are installed in situations where mains power is not available, or the client wishes to become completely independent of the grid. All power is generated by the solar panels. A battery bank stores excess power for use at night or when the sun is not shining. Items required for a backup system. 1. AC input and output populated distribution board. 2. Battery disconnect fuse box. 3. 2 by Meanray battery fuse 125 amp. 4. Inverter and battery suitable for the load and watts you require. Please ensure the load is at least 20% to 30% smaller than the inverter capacity to ensure longevity of your inverter. Items required for an off-grid system. 1. AC input and output populated distribution board. 2. DC PB populated distribution board. 3. Battery disconnect fuse box. 4. 2 by Meanray battery fuse 125 amp. 4. Inverter and battery suitable for the load and watts you require. Please ensure the load is at least 20% to 30% smaller than the inverter capacity to ensure longevity of your inverter. Solar panels and accessories. This will include solar cable, connectors, and mounting structures. After you made the decision on what type of system you are going for, there is a very important step to do before your home solar system can be completed. Yes, getting a qualified installer. There is a difference between an installer and a qualified installer. Most people who are in the installation business do have a basic understanding of installations, but some have more experience when it comes to the fine details of your installation. For instance, cheaper end inverters do not have a higher protection rating, meaning that the wiring and protection need to be done according to the specifications of the inverter and battery purchased. The final step of your installation. If all these steps have been followed for your installation, you should now have the understanding of how your installation should work.
Thanks for watching. Solar Warehouse Saw here for you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.